Hi and welcome to HWM Aston Martin here in Walton-on-Thames. I'm particularly excited today to show you around this Aston Martin Vantage. It's a 2021 model year car finished exquisitely in satin titanium paint. Now just take a look at it in terms of the overall finish of the paint, which is quite different to our normal paint process and is put together by our Aston Martin Q division, which are based up in Gaydon, up at the factory. Now, one thing I've got to say about satin paint, apart from the overall look to this, is that it's really, really easy to keep clean. And I think the only thing we'd recommend with satin paint is to apply some transparent protection film, just because it helps protect the overall appearance of it, but in terms of keeping it clean and dust and muck resting on the top of it, it's a really, really nice finish. So this car particularly has other points to note are things like the 20-inch diamond turned gloss black snowflake wheels, which was a new addition for the 2021 model year Vantage. Other features are this beautiful bonnet vents and the side strakes as well, and the exterior black pack, which gives the overall appearance around the car, the black front bumper and the side skirts as well. Coming round to the back of the car, continued theme into the exterior black pack, which is the rear bumper and the rear splitter and diffuser. Also has the privacy glass as an option on this car, which is just a great contrast between the glass, the wheels and the exterior black pack. Another nice addition are the black badges, which are front and back, as well as the smoked rear tail lights. So it gives that overall impression of just something a little bit different, a little bit unique. I think it really stands out. This car also has the quad exhaust, the titanium exhaust, which is naturally at the back of the car, and it makes a tremendous noise. So other features on this vehicle, as I kind of have a look, it's finished with an Alcantara leather interior trim with some contrast stitch to match the exterior of the car. It's just a lovely, lovely environment. Other benefits that are on this vehicle are things like glass switches and blind spot assistance, which is a great feature if you're driving on the motorway. The car will tell you and show you whether somebody is coming down either the outside or the inside of you by illuminating a triangle in the mirror. So other additions within this spec car are things like the touchpad, the flat bottom steering wheel, which just gives a lovely, lovely feel as one of the things that you're connected to when driving the car. The 16-way adjustable electric seats for drivers and passengers, which you can see through there. One of the things that I think is tremendously overlooked with Aston Martin Vantage is how usable it is as an everyday car. And just having a look inside the boot, great big boot space, and we've tested this that you can actually comfortably get a set of golf clubs across the width of the car, and you can see that actually in one of our other videos on our YouTube channel. You've got this great divider as well, which just folds flat to allow you for some more room should you need it. But it also acts as a great sort of divider if you just wanted to have suitcases or something, something different on the rear parcel shelf. But tremendously deep boot and capable car in terms of practicality for everyday use. So this car's just arrived with us. We're super, super excited to have it here. It's available now at HWM Aston Martin here in Walton-on-Thames. Please do get in touch. We'll be delighted to show you around this car and anything else we've got in our range. But do get in touch and thanks for taking the time for this brief walk around video.